video, we will be fitting stabilisers to the Frog first pedal models. This operation requires the following tools shown. We recommend using the stabilisers supplied at frogbikes.com. Firstly, fit the wheels to the stabiliser arms. Note that the washer fits directly under the circlip. And fitting the circlip can be tricky. Please also be aware the stabilisers are labelled for a specific side, left and right. Starting on the right hand side, loosen the chain tensioner. Then remove the wheel nut using the 5mm Allen key. The bracket plate should be installed over the stabiliser arm with the tab facing backwards. The bracket plate should be installed over the stabiliser arm with the anti-turn tab facing backwards and secured just hand tight. Now retighten the chain tension. Once the chain is at the correct tension, fully tighten the wheel nut. The rear wheel should stand vertically. The operation is simply repeated for the left hand side, but please note there is no chain tensioner on this side. Once secure, from behind the bike, double check that the bike is standing vertically and that both wheels of the stabilisers are in contact with the ground.